Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the right side washer lid hinge bar on your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a putty knife and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Using the putty knife, release the two retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top and set it upside down on a towel or blanket. Release the tension on the lid springs and detach the right side spring from the main top and hinge bar. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the hinge bar to the lid. Push the hinge bar through the bearing, then twist the bar to remove. To install the new hinge bar, insert it through the hole in the lid and bearing. Twist until the bar sits flush against the inside edge of the lid. Thread the screws to secure. Reattach the shorter end of the lid spring to the hinge bar and the longer end to the main top. Returning to the appliance, reinstall the main top by first reconnecting the lid lock wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.